Hey team, how you doing? Amanda C. Watts here, and I wanted to jump on and talk to you about how I'm feeling about marketing, because I have been in marketing since I was 18 years old. So we're looking at over 30 years, which is completely madness. 33 years, nearly 34 years I've been doing marketing. And I have noticed a massive shift in the past few years, and I'm sure you have too. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that back in sort of 2020, 2021, 2022, I was doing these videos every single day. I was going live and I was sharing ideas around how to get better clients, how to make more money, and how to get your time back. And what has happened since around 23, 24 is that people have stopped marketing in the way that they used to, because it just wasn't working the way that it used to go out and get those clients and make more money and get your time back. And one thing that I really noticed is that we were being told by marketing gurus that we had to do short form, or we had to act a certain way, and we had to really hyper edit our content, and we had to be really polished in how we showed up. And there was the likes of Hormozy that had gone from kind of just like super chilled and relaxed to how he was doing his marketing to have these highly edited videos. And we started to see even some of the more famous gurus start to come out a lot more polished than they used to. And we kind of lost the personality with marketing. And what that meant was that the barrier to entry got lower because of AI, so we could churn out rubbish, but actually to cut through the noise, the barrier of entry got much, much higher. And that, coupled with the fact that we were all exhausted after COVID, meant that a lot of us just had our marketing kind of stop working overnight. And I would say that I stopped showing up on video, which meant that my marketing became harder, because there's some things that actually we should remember when it comes to doing marketing. And the thing that I really want to talk about is relationships. And the reason why I am so keen to show up, and I'm recording this video, it's 3:20 on a Wednesday afternoon. I've got a call at 4:00 with my clients, and it's like I just have this absolute urge that I need to record this video. And the reason why I'm recording this video is for you to share, to listen to what I'm sharing, but it's also for me, because I've been hiding and I haven't been doing video like I used to, because the gurus tell you it's not working, and you have to do short form, and you have to have amazing hooks, and you have to have all this great stuff, which is really hard work when all you want to do, or all I want to do, is help people. So I don't believe, and you tell me if you're watching this video, tell me below, I don't believe that if you show up in your marketing with a genuine care to help people and give value, that people are going to go, oh no, I don't want to watch that. Yes, attention spans are shorter. Yes, we need to think about what we're sharing. We can't just create crap, but if we're sharing something that's valuable, I believe that still will get watched and still get listened to. And I suppose the proof is in the pudding, because I'm just going to start showing up and start doing video again. It's my favorite thing. It's the thing that when I used to do it first thing in the morning, I used to really get a buzz from it, because I felt like I was helping loads of people at the same time. So I'm back. I'm sharing on video how you can go about creating an amazing business advisory offer, how you can actually create a really great business model by introducing business advisory into your accounting and bookkeeping firm, how you can shift from just doing CFO work to CFO advisory work. And I'm going to be sharing loads of things like that with you over the coming weeks, months and years. I'm not giving up on video. If it doesn't get watched, it doesn't get watched. If one person watches it, then I have helped that one person. All right. So marketing fundamentally has changed. All right, people's attention spans are not there. People are not doing it in the way that they used to do it. However, there are 3 questions that every single business owner has, and I'm going to answer these through my videos and my content that I'm going to be doing coming up. The first question is, how do I get better clients? The second question is, how do I make more money? And the third question is, how do I get back more time? And they are the questions that I'm going to be answering in my videos. I'm going to keep my videos to 6 minutes or less. Okay, the moment it goes over 6 minutes, I think it's too long for you. I'm going to keep my videos to 6 minutes or less. If you've got this far, comment below. I'll know if you comment below and let me know that you're listening or something that you've got from today's video. But I'm done. I have to say, I am completely done with being told how to do marketing and saying that actually giving value is not what's working and it's all about short form and being on Instagram and grabbing people's attention. Value, I still think, is there, and I'm going to make sure I bring it in spades, and I'm going to do these videos as much for me as I'm doing it for you. If it helps you in the meantime, great. For me, it helps me with my thinking and helps me get clarity and helps me feel like I am making a difference in the profession. I got to go. My 6 minutes is nearly up. Thank you for listening. If you got this far, comment below if you have. Just say hello, and I will see you in the next video.